Welcome to Pottorff's Behind the Blades, Not a Podcast. My name is Stephenie Ravenscroft, and in this episode, I want to introduce you to our Technical Training Center. Let's take a few seconds to watch this video. I also wanted to let you know about our new training hub that's located on our website. This new hub brings all of our learning resources into one place, from webinars and e-learning courses to our podcast, and coming soon, our blogs. It is now easier than ever to stay connected and continue to learn. Ready to take your learning to the next level? Visit the training hub at www.pottorff.com and click on the training tab to see what's available. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Behind the Blades.